Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best dual headset hanger clamp headphone stand you can get right now. The EURPMASK dual headphone stand holder. If you're tired of having your headsets lying around or tangled up in cables under your desk, this little gadget might be exactly what you need. Let's take a closer look. Right out of the box, the build quality stands out. The stand is constructed from durable ABS plastic and features a spring-loaded clamp. This clamp can easily attach to any desk or shelf up to 39 mm thick. Installation? Super simple. No tools, no adhesive, no mess. Just open the clamp, position it under your desk, and let the spring mechanism do its job. It's snug, secure, and non-intrusive. One of the most clever aspects of this product is its 360-degree rotating hooks. You can swivel them in any direction, which means it adapts to your setup, whether you want the headphones tucked away or easily accessible. You can even rotate it completely out of the way when not in use. It doesn't lock you into one fixed position, which makes it versatile for both left-handers and right-handers alike. Despite its small size, this stand holds two headsets comfortably. Each arm supports up to 1 kilogram, so unless you're hanging dumbbells, it'll handle your gear just fine. From lightweight Bluetooth headphones to bulkier gaming headsets, the EURPMASK stand handles them all with no sign of strain. Another thoughtful touch is the anti-skid silicone padding on the clamp. Not only does it provide additional grip, but it also protects your desk surface from scratches. If your desk has a wood or glass finish, this feature is especially valuable. It's this kind of attention to detail that sets the EURPMASK apart from generic plastic hangers. And here's a feature you don't always see, a built-in cable clip. This little loop keeps your headset cable off the floor and out of your chair wheels. It's a small addition, but anyone who's constantly entangling cords will appreciate how much cleaner and safer this makes your setup. This stand isn't just for headphones. It can support other gear too. VR headsets, smartwatches, small bags, even your controller if you get creative. It's marketed as universal, and in practice, it really lives up to that label. To wrap up, the EURPMASK dual headphone stand holder is compact, sturdy, highly adjustable, and solves real workspace issues. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone trying to keep their desk neat, this stand delivers far more value than its price tag suggests. If you're looking for a minimal, functional, and reliable under-desk hanger for two headsets, or other gear, this one's a winner in my book. That's why it earns the top spot today as the best dual headset hanger clamp headphone stand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. This is Product Critique, helping you upgrade your gear one smart buy at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.